Hi everyone, we're going to the in Bataan mountain, Shaira. It's there, this place.
There, it's mountain.
It's a mountain, it's our friend showed to his village. So we're going now to the mountain farm in
We
Bataan.
call it the Eyrie.
What name?
The Eyrie.
Diary. This is camp, police camp.
And Tolentino Bataan.
Uh-huh.
This is my man guarding the gate.
Uh-huh.
And this is my office.
This is your office. This your parking place.
It's my parking place.
It's good.
Okay, let's go. Just say my
Bataan police. Shaira. Where's Shaira? Hall. PNP.
From Russia.
Hi.
From Russia. My man, women.
It's from
It's Captain Clement.
Leon. So you work here, you work in place.
Yes, this is my office. He gave me I'm a special forces, right?
Yes.
He gave me a logo of the Russian special forces.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
And thank you. Oh.
Ayan. What's up?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Elias. When already
Young.
young, yes. Bataan. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, nice place. So you can stay.
I'm new here, so I'm still fixing my office.
Mm-hmm. Nice place.
That's me when I was about
How,
to
how
graduate.
old are you in this picture?
23.
23.
Yeah, I'm about to graduate.
Mm-hmm. I graduate where? In Manila?
In the Philippine National Police Academy.
But in Manila, in Philippine
No,
National.
in Silang.
Ah,
In Silang, Cavite.
In Cavite. Cavite.
Well, this one means I'm the regimental logistics and supply officer.
Mm-hmm.
This we call this the chevron. So,
Forest.
Yes.
this is the small part of the camp.
Mm-hmm.
The main buildings over there.
Main building another. So we're going to mountain right now. From mountain, from here to mountain, it's not so far.
45 minutes.
45 minutes. It's already center of Bataan.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to mountain. This mountain.
So we're going there, center.
Uh-huh. Okay. Bataan provincial highway. A little bit cloudy in the mountain.
That's Mount Samad.
Going to Barangay Road. It's hotel maybe.
That's Amica, that's subdivision.
It's subdivision. Condominium. Barangay already.
Dark.
Here only start build road. start of road. It's already off-road start. It's not easy to drive here.
Oh, I think it. Button lock before.
And what?
We use motor. You remember that one?
With me?
Yes, because mountain also.
Yes, but with car like this. Going to ups. Cloudy. Time
We're
now.
going up the clouds.
Yes. You said colder. Oh. This is all your place. Village.
This This is a small church.
Uh-huh.
I was the one who built that one for the people here.
Ah, you built for
Yes,
people.
for the people. This is my farm. This is the gate.
Ah, this is gate to your farm.
Yes.
So you won't build a road here.
Yes.
Dock, it's your dock maybe.
Okay.
Ah, someone live here.
This is my man.
The look cars are dirty because we drive in the off-road. Shaira like picture, video. Yes, it's not easy to drive to here because it's road, you see. It's same like in Baguio, but it's Bataan. Here is nice place. You can see sea. Is Bataan Bay. What name of this mountain? Limay.
Very clear sky. You can see Manila on the other side of the
Mhm. Nice view now, sunset. And this is port, it's Bataan port.
Orion Port.
Orion port. But use this one is good here for with off-road.
Ano nga ng ano? Gasolina? Ay Maricel? Kahit ano lang, 2 litro lang. Ano? Kahit 2 litro lang.
Do you like Shaira here?
Yes, I like.
Ano? Bakit walang gasolina kay Maricel? Wala po.
It's water from the
From the
mountain.
mountain, yeah, this one. You know, I bought, you know, the land, the wide land there to protect the watershed. So no people will ever go there. It's from the source of my water.
So it's clean water here. Shaira, do you want use? Shaira.
No, I don't want.
You're afraid?
Maybe it's bigger.
Bigger for you?
Let's go. Woohoo. okay? But it drive always straight.
Carabao afraid. Oh, good view.
Alright.
Shire afraid to Carabao here. Very good view, really. But I'm scared to drive because of road. It's not in the car. It's Carabao already not afraid. Oh, really good view. I think it's already can see Manila.
Yeah, because you can all see the light. But if there's no clouds, you can see the buildings.
Also can see buildings. And this one is your village. Oh, here good. Who put Carabao here? It's from the where he stay with Carabao he stay? It's your Carabao.
I have horses also.
And horses also.
That's a coconut pest.
It's two.
Two?
No.
Yeah.
Iwan mo na. It's a coconut pest. It's a coconut pest. We kill the coconut.
Oh.
This one kills the coconut.
But he cannot bite?
No, it doesn't bite.
Oh, интересненько. First time see him. This one. Okay. What name of game this, Shaira? Billiard? Like this billiard.
And this is the circle one. This is the original one. And this is one for province, like pizza. We call it.
So in province,
Yes.
use.
Mostly they use this one.
Georgi
And this one is
like
for,
billiard.
Universal. It's universal.
Now night. Take a look. View. This is SM Bataan there. And so far it's Manila. This is Manila Bay. And you can see Manila and Cavite also. Here don't have electric power, only solar.